everyone, long time no see. It's been a hot minute. I've been doing things for the holidays, but we have 3 ponies to show off today. These are the Shadow Bolts. They're from Equestria girls, but there's a lot of art of them, of course, as ponies. So we got them as ponies. Also, forgive the lighting on my camera. It's a little bad, so it's draining out the fabric colors as always. They are Lemon Zest right here. She's got her little headphones on. Very cute. Now, I did ask the commissioner ahead of time what types of pony he wanted them to be, since they can be pretty much anything in fan art, and he chose Earth, Unicorn, and Pegasus. This is Sunny Flare. She's very cute, and I love her little fancy hairdo. She's got the 2 little things right here. Very posh. And this is Sugarcoat. Yes, took me a second to remember the name. And I got her little swooshy bangs, her little tail, her little mane, and then the cutie marks. The cutie marks are actually fan-made as well, based on the names. And they, of course, have the beans in them and everything. I love her little headphones. So yeah, those are the Shadow Bolts if they were ponies. And this is just a quickie one. I'll have some extra little silliness at the end for you to enjoy, but I hope you enjoyed this plush breakdown, and I'll have more for you this year. Happy 2021 and goodbye 2020. Well, now I find it.
What is this creature that lurks in the wilds? Small Freddy, fresh from the bath. Upset. Saddened. Will he recover? We don't know.